Alright, so we will start with the formation of number 4. This is number 4, and let us start the formation. I'll tell you how we are going to do it. If you have got a sandpaper letter, well and good. If you don't have it, you can simply take out a print, or you can write it on your own on a paper, or you can use the textbook or the workbook for the tracing sake, for the formation sake. So I'm doing it here, and I'll tell you how to do it. Put your left hand here, take out 2 fingers, start from the top start from the top and form a slanting line till the middle. Then form a sleeping line, small, and another standing line, up and down. Start from here, start from the top, forming a slanting line, turn to your right, forming a sleeping line, and then we have to form a standing line, like that. So let us trace it again. This is number 4. This is number 4. Which number are we tracing? We are tracing number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how are we going to do it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the counting, once they are done with this, which number is this? This is 4. Let's see how many happy faces do we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can put them like this. And let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many happy faces do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's very good. Now let's count the colors pencils. How many colors pencils do we have here? You can cut out, you can have anything with you, any shape that you have, any objects that you have, you can use. Let's count the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. And this is number 4. Which number is this? This is number 4. So let us do some other work now. We are gonna open up the textbook and see what do we have in the textbook. Right, so let us see the counting on page number 7. Okay, so here we have number 4 again, and we've been given 4 seasons. So how are we going to do it? We're going to count the pictures. Tell your children, don't explain a lot of things to them, just tell them we have 4 seasons in a year. Just say 4 seasons. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is here spring. We have 4 seasons, and this is springs. Do you know what happened in spring? Flower blooms in spring. Can you see the flowers on this tree? How beautiful they are. And this is summer season. It's very hot, and what do? We eat ice creams, we go to swimming, and it's a lot of fun in summer. Now this is autumn season. What happens in autumn? The leaves from a tree, they turn into this color, orange rusty color, and they fall to the ground. All the leaves, they fall down. And what is this? It's snow. That means it's winter season. What happens in winter? Winters are very cold. See. Alright. So first thing first, you're going to write down the date. June 19, 2020 classwork. I've written on both pages. You can write on both pages or one. So it says rainbow number tracing of number 4, and we have here 4 ice creams, and we eat ice cream in summer. You can always keep the flashcard with you and use the objects for counting sake. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you're done with revision of number 4, you can always ask them to do the formation here. Start from the top, come right down here, forming a slanting line, then form a sleeping line, and then form a standing line. And the rainbow tracing, you know how we do it. We are going to take different colors and we are going to rainbow trace number 4. I'm gonna use 3 colors today, and you can use as many as you want, not more than 7 though. So alright, so start from this dot here, following this arrow, come down till here. That's it. This is a slanting line. Then we are going to form a sleep, and we are going to form a sleeping line till here. You can use a pointer and form a dot yourself. I can't find my black pointer, so you can use a color. I'm using a color, you should use the pointer. So I just put the dots here, and then form a standing line. Come following the arrows, come until here, then trace these dots, follow the arrow and come down till the dot. Now what are we going to do? We are going to do it again. Found it. Start from, you can put the dots here, 1 dot here, 1 here, and 1 here. And how are we going to do it? Let's take a color. Start from the dot here and come down, forming a slanting line here. And now we are going to form a sleeping line following this dot here and come till here, till this dot. And now we are going to form a standing line. We're starting from this dot and coming down, down and down and down, all the way to this dot. So dot really helps them. You can use the dots to help them out. So you're gonna use different colors for that purpose, and then when you're done with like 3 times or 4 times, just ask them to do it on their own now without your help. And this is how they are going to do it. So this is our number 4, and then they'll have to color these 4 yummy ice creams. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it says trace the number, and as you can see we have got 4 ants here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the tracing is same as we've done the coloring. We're gonna start from here, come right down, forming a slanting line, then form a sleeping line, and then a standing line. Slowly. It's very important that they do the formation right way. If they're starting, if this is the first thing they are going to start, this is not right. They should always start from here, okay? So please make sure of that. Alright, so page number 29 and 30, this is their classwork, and we're done with this.